In this video we will explain how to highlight a menu item in the navigation menu. Right-click on the menu item you want to highlight, then Inspect. It is necessary to find a unique class for that menu item. In our case, it is the class menu item 108. Copy the class name. Let's go to Appearance, then Customize. In the Additional CSS section, we will paste the class name we previously copied, in order to create a design for it. Before pasting the class, we will type the point. Then we'll type an open and a closed big bracket. In our case, we will add a background color and a border radius that will make the edges curved. In the description of the video you can find the code we typed here. Now, we can see how menu item looks like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you still have problem to highlight your menu item, write us in a comment, so we can help you.